Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk a bit about life after the trading combine. Let's assume you've made it through both step 1 and step 2 of the combine, and you're ready to get started with your new funded account. First of all, congratulations. You've proven you can consistently profit in the financial markets. But remember, this is only the beginning. The goal isn't just to get to the funded level, but to thrive once you get there. Thankfully, we have a team of risk managers and funded support specialists dedicated to making this transition as easy as possible. And with that, I'd like to introduce you to a very important member of the Topstep team, our head risk manager, Mick.
Thanks, Jack. I'm Mick Topstep's risk manager and your dedicated coach at the funded level. Let's talk through what being a Topstep funded trader means. Upon reaching funded status, we'll have your account set up in 1 to 2 business days. At this stage, you pay $0 for data and platform fees. You will also receive a certificate so you can share and celebrate this big accomplishment with your peers, friends, and family. I know you're probably excited to hear about payouts, but first, allow me to go over a few ground rules. When you start in the funded account, the same trading objectives from step 2 apply. This means that you still must trade only permitted products during permitted times, observe the daily loss limit, stay above your trailing max drawdown, and follow the scaling plan. If you show us that you're consistently earning and managing risk, we can discuss scaling up your account. Traders with great performance can request more buying power or a larger loss limit. All Topstep funded traders keep 100% of their first $5,000 in profits and 90% of all earnings thereafter. Our funding specialists process payouts daily, and those received before 10 a.m. Central Time are processed the same day. Funded traders taking their first payout also receive a first payout bonus. This means we'll refund the last month of your trading combine subscription as a token of our appreciation. When are you eligible to request a payout? Traders can request a payout of up to 50% of their account balance after accumulating 5 winning trading days per payout request. It doesn't have to be 5 days in a row, just 5 winning days total. A winning trading day is counted as a day when the trader's net P&L is more than $100. Please check out the link in the description to learn everything you want to know and more about Topstep's payout policies. And remember, if you need anything, feel free to reach out. We're here to help you grow as a trader.
Well said, Mick. Now be sure to keep a close eye on your email, because there will be a few forms you'll need to fill out before you can start trading in the funded account. Once you submit these forms, that's it. You did it. You're now a funded trader with Topstep. You should feel proud, because many traders never reach this point in their career. But don't rest on your laurels, because the market is always changing. Stay grounded, monitor your risk, and you'll have a bright future trading with Topstep. Welcome aboard.